Welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing a hot new release, the OnePlus Nord CE Lite 5G in the stunning ultra orange color. Let's dive right in and see what this budget powerhouse has to offer. The box design is minimalistic yet classy, with Nord written 3 times on the front and the model name elegantly placed on the side. And guess what? This unit is proudly made in India. The box price is Rs 21,000, but we snagged it on Amazon for just Rs 18,000. A sweet deal, right? Now, let's get to unwrapping. Here comes the satisfying part. Let's peel off the plastic. Look how the box slides out under its own weight. Cool, isn't it? Let's quickly empty the contents and see what's inside. We have 4 main items: a black cardboard box, a bright red charging cable, the massive power adapter, and of course the phone itself. Let's start with the black box. Inside you will find a transparent mobile case, some Nord stickers, a safety guide, a quick guide, a red cable club card, which I think is more marketing fluff. Tell me if you have used it. Then a welcome letter and a SIM ejector tool. The red charging cable is vibrant and flashy. It's a Type-C cable, 1 meter long and a signature element of OnePlus. Next up, the 80-watt charger. It's huge. While it could have been sleeker, it charges the phone from 1% to 100% in just 52 minutes. Impressive, right? Finally, let's unwrap the phone. It feels a bit heavy at 191 grams, but the ultra orange color is a stunner. The back and sides have this sleek finish, and the front features a 16MP selfie camera in a punch hole design. The 6.67-inch Amoled display is a showstopper with vibrant colors, 120Hz refresh rate, and 2100 nits peak brightness. Outdoor visibility, no problem here. On the right side, we have the lock-unlock button and volume rocker. The fingerprint reader has moved to the display. The left side houses the dual nano SIM tray, while the top has a speaker unit. At the bottom, you get a 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone, charging port, and another speaker unit. OnePlus knows how to keep everyone happy. On the back, there's a dual camera setup, a 50MP Sony primary camera with optical image stabilization for crisp shots, and a 2MP depth assist camera for portrait blurs. There's even a tiny dual LED flash for low light moments. Also, it provides 10x maximum zoom. But there is no 4K support. It has 1080p 30 frames per second at maximum, which is a bit disappointing. Powering this beast is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor. It's not the newest chip, but it handles multitasking, gaming, and daily use like a champ. With 8GB of RAM, by the way, which is expandable to 16GB using virtual RAM, and 128GB of storage, you've got plenty of room for apps, photos, and more. Battery life is stellar thanks to the 5500 mAh battery, which even supports reverse wired charging. Say goodbye to carrying a power bank. The phone runs on Oxygen OS 14, offering smooth, lag-free performance and 2 guaranteed Android updates along with 3 years of security updates. A solid commitment by OnePlus. To sum it up, the OnePlus Nord CE Lite 5G packs a punch with its vibrant display, solid battery life, sleek design, and reliable performance, all at a slightly budget-friendly price point. While the processor could have been a bit more, it's still a fantastic deal for everyday use. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. That's it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.